Welcome back to the channel. We're actually doing a screen today, a rear screen in a Mustang, a fastback Mustang. Should be good watching. Show you how to put the rear in. We put the front in a couple of weeks ago. We're back here to put the rear in and see how we go. Talk to you soon. All right, here we are. That's the Mustang we were talking about. Beautiful. Okay, so there's the rear screen that we've got to put in the hole. I've just put the rubber on, so that should be, it's a proper aftermarket one from a good brand. I forget which one he said it was, but it's fitted perfectly, so there's no dramas with that one. So this is the front screen we put in a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, everything's just nice, you know, like you go down and everything meets up nicely. Around there. As you can see, it's work in progress. It's a rare one, this one. It's got the fold down back seat. So anyway, we'll get on with it. Just looking at the rubber, the way it's sitting now, so those clips are in a good position. Righto. Roper in. Any door open? Not at the moment. They're fairly loose fit. It's actually the chrome that actually holds it in properly. You watch when they have an accident, when they're racing them, the screens just fly out of them, so. Yeah, I might just get you to put some pressure on that, mate, on the bottom there. Yep. Oh, the other side, mate. Yeah, it's going in together good. Get that bit of hook lining underneath. Just leave that there, go the other side. Rubber's just finding it hard to get around this corner here. See if I can slice it behind there. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Looking okay on the outside? Yep. Yeah. There we go, all roped in there. Yeah, that's sitting in good. You can put all that interior stuff in there, mate. I won't need to get back in there, so. Yep, no worries. Yeah, yeah. Alright. There we go. You can see all these clips. That's where you want to see, sometimes the rubber gets caught on them. Fairly easy to do at this stage. The chromes and cleaning up is the next. So we might just tape up now. Righto. Always tape up so you don't scratch the car. And easy to clean up with the sealer. pressing and trying to press on, say in between here somewhere where you could dent it. Righto. Choice of sealer. To squash that nozzle so you can get between the rubber and the body. Shoulder's getting a bit better anyway. Yeah, well, I can get up to about there now. So alright, we've just finished sealing the rear screen. As you can see, we've done glass to rubber and body to rubber. Seal both sides. Now with these you fill up the void. You don't want, even though you got seal and it won't leak, you want to fill it up fairly well where the chrome is so water does not sit in there and create more rust. Up the top's not so important because it'll run down, but it's along the bottom here you want to, as you can see there, I filled it right up. Righto, that's them there. Righto, put that top one in first.
Yeah, I wasn't sure which ones you wanted first.
That went in really well.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
was about to say, as you were putting that one on,
Yeah.
it's going on really well.
That's so you can see here, I've put this chrome in the right spot, but because the body just ducks out that way,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just put the chick stick in there and just move that along. Yeah, it'll look better. I'll just show that on the camera.
You won't notice it.
No. Righto. This is perfect right here. Nice alignment. As you can see there, all those lines meet up. A little bit of drama here, and same with the other side. But that went spot on. Good thing about, if you can get the original fitter to take the chrome out, he's putting it back in because he knows not to bend it. So you can see there, it's just not meeting properly. So I'm going to get the chick stick in there and just move it forward. Righto. It's a bit tough. I might have to try and slide it by hand. Okay. Yep.
Oh, really?
There's a bit of a gap there, but I prefer a bit of a gap than the chrome's not lining up.
Well, your eye actually is not drawn to it.
That's right, yeah.
There's not much you can do about the shape of the body.
Yeah. There we go. Meets up better now. Now just clean up. Righto, Kero on a rag. Use Kero because it don't wreck the paint. And we'll just clean all this up. Nearly done. we're all done here. As you can see, perfect job. It's done right. They take a little time, just take your time. You don't want any stuff ups, but these come up perfect. Really happy the way it finished. The cover plate got to go across there and across the back. So what's engines in a Luke? Yep. Fuel injected. Come up good. Air conditioning. Well, how was that? That was a great job, great car, and I want to thank Luke for giving me the job for that. Yeah, no, it was good to do a rear screen, show you guys another rear screen instead of going to a car show and doing other things. Shoulder's getting better, so I can start raising my arm a little bit, which is great. But that's all we have for the channel for this time. Like and subscribe. Helps me put more videos on for you guys. Be good or be good at it. Stay well on those roads, stay safe on those roads out there, and be good to your mates. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.